morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today, 2015 Nissan Marano front bumper cover replace. How to. Okay, first remove your 10 clips in this cover right here. Get it off out of your way. And then you got a clip in each grill on this corner and this corner. You'll want to remove them so you can get the grill off out of the way. Best way to get these little wire clips when you get this one loose, kind of pull it around, and then you can get to them from the back side. Just push your little ears in and take your wires loose. Okay, get those covers out of your way, and that opens it up so you can see down here at the grill them lower clips right in there. Release them clips. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 across through there, and you can get the grill out of your way. Okay, get the clips, and then you got a plug here on the back of your Nissan grill. Mash it in, unplug it, get your grill off out of the way. Okay, here on the side, if you can see by the fenders, you got one clip down here at the bottom. Take the trim tool, get under it, pull it out. This little clip like that. Then you got your fender well molding. It's kind of clipped in. You gotta pull on it, but be easy. Don't just snatch it off. Well, it's hard to do with the camera in my hand. Let me get it loose, and I'll show you the clip. Okay, if you can kind of see it here, see how it's just a little push clip. It's best to take it like a little pick and just make sure you stay off the paint. But get in there and just push that little clip back, and it'll pop all them loose. Then right up here at the very top, you got the little push pin style clips. You can see it back there. Pull that loose, and then that way you can get to your 10mm bolt that holds your bumper cover on. Then just the same process on the other side. Get it back, get to your bolt, and that'll have the bumper cover loose at the top. Okay, then across the bottom here you got 4 10mm bolts. Pull them loose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get them loose out of your way. I know it's kind of dark up here with all these plastics, but if you see, we got about 3 or 4 star screws on each side that hold this lower plastic to the bottom of the bumper cover. Pull them loose, get this panel down, and then your bumper cover should be ready to slide off. Okay, you got 2 clips here on each corner, right under the headlight. Done took this one out. Pull this one out. Get it out of your way. My little bag's on the bottom. And then your bumper cover, it'll pull loose right here. Just unsnap. Get it right out from around everything. Unsnapping under your headlights. It'll be ready to come off all the way. how to remove a bumper cover off a 2015 Nissan Marano. We got to replace a couple of things under here. Piece of foam. Alan's over here buffing on the other one, getting it ready to go back on. We'll have to transfer our fog lights over and our chrome. We'll get that moved over to that one, and we'll be ready to put it back on. Okay, to remove the fog lights, you got 2 bolts right here. Take each fog light out, and then you snap these little snaps above it. That takes out the molding. Then you take these little snaps right here and 1 screw, and that'll remove the piece of chrome that goes up around the front on each side. Then you pull out these push pins, and that'll remove your bottom piece. You transfer all it over to the new bumper. Okay, we got everything moved over and going back on with it. Just reverse order. Snap your corners in, snap your molding back in. Put your clips back here. We're ready for the grill and for the cover. You see we got both sides back in. We'll sneak in over here on Drake to see what he's doing. See if he's actually doing anything or taking a nap in here with the heat on. Caught him working. Man needs a hat. Hold on. Hold on. You gotta put your hat on. You gotta put your hat on so we can do a plug.
Yeah.
Today's episode is brought to you by First South State Bank in Rainsville, Alabama. Feel free to send a check to 256 Garage, care of Drake Weaver. He's in here sealing on the paint booth. If y'all can hear me for the echo. We're caulking up all the seams before we paint it. And he's still...
I ain't got all the highlights yet.
He's done several, but he's still got several to go. And them ain't gonna be no fun up there. Especially the sealing ones. Why didn't somebody do that when they put it together?
It took a ton. You know, we had that drain put in.
Yep.
And so the floor dips way down right there for everything to run to that drain.
Took a tube to fill that up.
It took a tube to fill that crap in.
Well, this is where we're at on the paint booth. So you better watch the Nissan Marano video just to see what's going on in the paint booth. All right, here it is, all back together. Just reverse the process of taking it off. Put everything back on like that. That's how to remove and replace bumper cover on a 2015 Nissan Marano. Thanks everybody for tuning in. 256 Garage out.